The battle for Delhi's 70 assembly seats is intensifying as the city prepares for elections on Feb 5. The key focus is on the 9 seats where the margin of victory in 2020 was less than 5,000 votes. These seats hold significant strategic importance as they make up more than 10% of the total seats and 25% of the 36 required to form a government. Let's break down these crucial seats. Bijwasan. In 2020, Aam Aadmi Party's Bhupinder Joon won by a narrow margin of 753 votes against BJP's Sat Prakash Rana. Both parties have changed candidates for this election, with Aam Aadmi Party fielding Surendra Bhardwaj and BJP nominating Kailash Gehlot, who switched from Aam Aadmi Party. Congress has fielded former MLA Devendra Sehrawat. This seat is highly competitive, with both BJP and Aam Aadmi Party making strong moves. Lakshmi Nagar. BJP's Abhay Verma won by just 880 votes in 2020. This time Nitin Tyagi, who was second in the last election, has joined the BJP. Aam Aadmi Party has fielded BB Tyagi, who contested for the BJP in 2015. Now the BJP has nominated Abhay Verma once again, while Congress has selected Sumit Sharma as its candidate. Chhatarpur. Aam Aadmi Party's Kartar Singh Tanwar narrowly defeated BJP's Brahm Singh Tanwar by 3,720 votes in 2020. This time Aam Aadmi Party has renominated Kartar Singh, while BJP has fielded Brahm Singh Tanwar. Congress, which had a smaller presence last time, is putting forward Rajinder Tanwar. This seat is expected to see a fierce contest. Kasturba Nagar. Aam Aadmi Party's Madan Lal won by 3,165 votes in 2020. This time Aam Aadmi Party has fielded Ramesh Pahalwan, while Congress has chosen Abhishek Dutt, a youthful and dynamic leader. BJP has announced Neeraj Basoya as their candidate, but this seat remains a critical one for both Aam Aadmi Party and Congress. Adarsh Nagar. Aam Aadmi Party's Pawan Sharma won by just 1,589 votes in 2020. BJP has renominated Rajkumar Bhatia, while Aam Aadmi Party has fielded Mukesh Goyal, a former Congress candidate. Congress has chosen Shivang Singhal as their contender. With a closely contested race expected, this seat will be one to watch. Shalimar Bagh. Aam Aadmi Party's Bandana Kumari won by 3,440 votes in 2020, defeating BJP's Rekha Gupta. Both parties have retained their candidates. Congress has named Praveen Jain to contest. This seat saw a relatively close margin last time and remains a crucial battleground. Krishna Nagar. In Krishna Nagar, Aam Aadmi Party's SK Bagga defeated BJP's Anil Goyal by 3,995 votes in 2020. This time, Aam Aadmi Party has replaced Bagga with Vikas Bagga. BJP will be looking to reclaim the seat, which was a stronghold for them in the past. Expect a tough contest here. Badarpur. BJP's Ramveer Bidhudi won by 3,719 votes in 2020. Aam Aadmi Party's Ram Singh Netaji is back as the candidate for the party. BJP has fielded Narayan Dutt Sharma, who previously won here on Aam Aadmi Party's ticket in 2015. This seat is highly competitive and could be a major deciding factor in the election. Patparganj. Manish Sisodia won Patparganj by 3,207 votes in 2020. This time Aam Aadmi Party has fielded Awadh Hoja in place of Sisodia. While BJP has renominated Ravindra Negi, given Sisodia's absence, this seat could see a shift in voting patterns. With these 9 seats holding such critical importance, all major parties, BJP, Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, are pulling out all stops to gain an edge in these tight contests. Voters in these areas will play a decisive role in determining the next government of Delhi. What are your thoughts on these seats? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more such updates.